Sonia. So, dear participants, now I'm going to tell you the privilege of being IBP Premium member. Premium members business category will be always reserved. Premium members will get 90 seconds for their self-introduction. IBP organize IBP Premium Mumbai 1 chapters meeting once in a month, and that's first Friday of every month. Here participants are coming from across Mumbai, Thane and Navi Mumbai. Also organize Let's Meet at Mall sessions. Here only premium members can participate either third or fourth week of every month. Kindly visit the IBP News YouTube channel to watch the videos of all the IBP meetings. Once in a 2 months there will be a give and gain talk session, power team meeting of 8 to 10 premium member, and it will be hosted by IBP founder. 6 minutes feature presentation, opportunity on rotation basis. Profile interviews and shorts IBP make for their premium members in association with IBP News YouTube channel, and which help IBP premium members to promote their business anywhere in the world. Over to Sonia.
Thank you, Ro. The referral sharing and business collaboration session. Now we are going to start our referral sharing and business collaboration session. If you have any reference for your fellow members, please mention their names while talking along with the serial number. If you are interested to work in collaboration with any of the fellow members, also mention their names. So, you can mention their names. It will help us to keep records, and accordingly we can analyze the performance of the meeting. If you have done any business with your fellow members, kindly mention their names with thank you slip amount. Also, if you have done face-to-face meetings with your fellow members, kindly mention names and testimonials you can also give for your fellow members. So, let's start with Nikita. We go in line.
I have a testimonial for Chautali. Today she is not here. So last week also, last month also she was not there. She is not well. But she had done a small healing for her nephew, and he was in the 10th standard and he was not able to study. So we were very worried about him whether he will pass the exam or not. So the small session she did, and they had he is into actually IG board. So they have a choices in doing the exam. Like we had a choice to only one time you have to give all the papers, but IG students are very benefited and very blessed that they get choices of papers to give exams in 2 months. So he had cleared one section of the exam because of her healing. Thank you so much that she has done, and he actually sat and he studied. That was the main thing for us. And for the same, I want to meet Rajkumarji, that we had spoken for him, that I will connect with you anytime for sure for him. And business given to on-spot business I had given to Maria Chitsi 1700. Thank you.
Yeah, hello everyone. Okay, now as far as hello everyone. Okay, so as far as business is concerned, I think I bought chocolates from Anuji, and they were lovely, superb. Thank you so much, Anuji. And I think that was a caramel chocolate, which is very different. She personally made it for me, so I appreciate that. Thanks a lot, Anuji. Okay. Another one is for Urvashi. Where's Urvashi? Yes, she's superb in her work. She's done, she made some video for me and put it up on the Instagram, and I thought I got a lot of followers also, and 3,000 viewers. So thank you so much, Urvashi. I think I'll be getting back to you again. Okay, now Preeti, I've taken paneer mix from you, and that was just awesome. Malia, I've taken a couple of things from you, I think worth 2,200, and they look really wonderful and very colorful. Thank you so much for that. Yes, just one sec. Roshni Aurora. I think I've taken the silver polish liquid from you for 250. So that was also very nice. I liked it. Okay, so the total amount would be round about, say about 2,200. Now you all just calculate please. 2,200, 1,500, 180, 350 and 250. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah. And Mrs. Kamal Shinde, she's not here. She's, I think, your associate. So she picked up some stuff from me for skin and for hair, and she really loved it for her daughter, worth 6,800. So thank you very much. Yeah, thanks a lot.
I'm yet to connect with. Okay, yes. I'm yet to connect with many of you. I have come to know lots of things. Like I took a chocolate from you, and yeah, my son is in UK, so the food products will be very helpful. He doesn't cook at all, so thank you. I'll connect with you. I also want to connect with the website developer because we are into e-commerce website, and we have already paid office charges. Many places it has not been very successful because we're all volunteers, it's not for profit, and we want to connect the women entrepreneurs from here to the women entrepreneurs in UK. So our effort is on, but because we are completely no funding, but we are trying our best to be the living bridge between India and UK and get the rural ladies who make stuff at home to a big market there. I want to use the data what I have in UK to bring in some profitability, self-reliance to the rural small-scale businesswomen in India and outskirts villages and all. I have to connect with many of you, but at the moment website and also social media marketing, and if you have any influencers or any, I'll connect with you as well, and big names, we want to make brand ambassadors to our organization. In UK we have Bob Blackman MP as our patron, but in India we need more and more, you know, some celebrities, so please connect with me. I need to get in touch with people who can help us uplift. Thank you.
Can everybody please tell your name?
Yeah. Rashmi Mishra.
I'm Dr. Anshuman Manasri. My biggest giver is Subratu Bhai, and we have been collaborating. I cannot disclose the financials and all that, sorry, but we have been collaborating. Me and Pooja have been collaborating. And recently have bought Madam's chocolates, your
Ready-to-eat food packets.
ready-to-eat food. And Komalji did a wonderful gesture by doing an embroidery of Namaste Health. And I have also bought a tray from her which looked beautiful. I'm hoping to use it for my guests at my office. I'm humbled to meet the influencer, what's your name, sorry, Urvashi. I'm humbled to meet her, she looks very promising, and I will collaborate with all of you. Mugati ji, Gupta ji, I want to try your oil. And is it mustard oil? What is this oil?
It is a combination of 9 things. It is a source of antioxidant.
Does it taste good?
Very good, very good.
Okay. Okay, I will take. I will, please, let's do one. Your number is not there, maybe over here. Okay, right there on the top. Thank you so much.
The oil is
yeah.
very good, I have used it.
Okay, and I have to connect with you, sir. Yes, Madhurji. Okay, and many names I may be missing, pardon me for it. I have to take a leave, so kindly excuse me.
Thank you so much, sir, for taking. Hi.
Good evening, everyone. I want to say thank you to Sumataji. I want to say thank you to him. He was literally after me, you changed the category. I was not ready. He said at least come to the mall meeting, experience this, and then you will convince. Definitely, he has a very good convincing power, and I agreed to change the. My category, and I've been there only I got so much sale. Here I'm getting good sale, so thank you for that. Thank you for promoting me, and my mic is so many of
Hello.
so many of them has bought my products. Sonia ji, Dr. Margaret, Subrata ji, Sanjay, Hiral. I think so, even Komal, everyone bought my products and I got a good review, so thank you so much. And today I'm buying one nice top from her. I bought, before also I bought chocolate from Anu Kapoor. Today also I'm buying this cashew chocolates. So thank you so much. I'm buying something from her also. Thank you everyone, thank you so much. And I got almost 2,000 something, more than 2,000 sales that day. And today also again I got a sale. Maybe 2,500 or something about. Don't मिला के अभी तो होएगा ना अभी आज तो शुरुआत हो रहा है.
So I'm Anu Kapoor, baker and a chocolatier. So I would like to thank Sanjay sir. We did 1-to-1 with him. Sanjay Mathur sir. I also met Dr. physio वाले doctor थे निखिल शाह also. So yes. His treatment was really very good. अभी वो चले गए हैं, but his treatment was really very good. I did one session and I was very happy with that session of his. So 2,000 thank you slip for him. And today I have got it around 4,000 ka thank you slip for everyone. 4,000. That is Komal, Dr. Anshuman, Amit sir, Rashmi, Preeti, Dr. Pooja, and Roshni. So that comes to around 4,000. Thank you.
Hello everyone. My thank you slip to Sanjay Mathur ji, Subrata ji, Hiral ji, my regular customer, sell of around 8,100 and on the spot purchase by Amrita ji. Thank you so much taking multivitamin. And my gift to Anu Kapoor ji. This is her chocolates and cake are really very wonderful. My daughter like it a lot. And Malia ji, 700 kurta, very beautiful. And I am going to meet Rashmi Mehta, right? And Jaideep ji, right? And definitely looking forward to see you all. Thank you so much. It is 9,000 now, and many more to come.
No, even I am buying.
Yeah, many more to come. So thanks to Subrata ji, Satish ji, and getting more than around 30,000 sell till now with IBP. And thank you so much.
Yeah, hi, my name is Maria Chishti. So I want to thank Malahar. I'll just go one by one. Malahar, Jaideep sir, thank you. Roop, thank you. Pooja, thank you so much. Roshni, thank you. Nikita, thank you so much. And Preeti, thank you. So total is 6,700 for today. IBP में मेरी बोनी हो गई है आज. So thank you so much everyone and thank you please and many more to come. And I especially want to thank Urvashi because she's amazing influencer and I have gotten one client for her and we did a great job and she's so good. You must follow her, please everybody must follow each other from this group at least. And thank you Urvashi, thank you so much.
Yes, Urvashi is daughter of Miss Sonia Punjabi, and and who is the house captain. So, and she is definitely wonderful. I'll start with her. I would like to, as soon as my business takes a shape, I will contact her and probably she'll be with us for some time.
I know when Sanjay ji said कि मेरा business शुरू होगा तब मैं उर्वशी को होगा, but I feel बहुत हमारे दोस्त हैं जिनकी छोटे-छोटे businesses हैं. You can still contact Urvashi even if your business is not working or you are still starting.
Yes.
You should still contact her and you will be now regular. You will be for me, you will be regular.
Okay, after my first meeting, I think we have a lot of one-to-one meetings with Madam Anu Kapoor, with Ms. Sonia Punjabi, and he has still yet to come a lot of things, and we probably will do good business together with Roshni Arora and her husband Sandeep Arora, and we've already started business. I joined Modi Care. We had one-on-one meetings with others. Sanjay Banerjee probably will be able to do it now. My business is such that I have a consultant, so it takes time in actually counseling people, consulting people, and start the business. But the things have already started. Preeti Shah, we will be meeting soon on one-to-one for detailing. But I must say that her products are excellent. My family loved it, and probably will take some more. And I'll be contacting the gentleman there also, for my other business needs. And of course, I met Dr. Gupta. We've already started the treatment, me and my wife, and we are doing a lot of things. I must say, I met him on this Tuesday. So just Wednesday, Thursday, and half day of today, we have taken these medicines. I am feeling a lot of relief to start with in my joint pains and other things. So that is wonderful. Which I did not get with allopathy or homeopathy, which is happening now. Just 2.5 days, and I feel much relieved. So that is wonderful. And probably a lot of other people who want consultancy in marketing, brand, and grow their businesses. I'll be happy to consult and help them grow their businesses. Thank you.
थैंक यू गुप्ता जी. हमारे वन ऑफ द टॉप कस्टमर्स में से गुप्ता जी जो डोंबिवली से मुझे रेगुलर अभी जस्ट मेरा ध्यान गया जब आए वो, बट मैं भी खुद उनकी दवाइयाँ और ये सब ले रहा हूँ और काफ़ी यूजफुल है, और जो उनका एक्सपीरियंस है इतने सालों का वो काफ़ी बेहतरीन है. तो ऑलवेज प्लीज पीपल, इवन रोशनी जिनके मैंने कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स लिए हुए हैं जहाँ पे मैं उनके साथ भी मैंने कोलैबोरेशन किया हुआ है. थैंक यू. और काफ़ी कुछ वन टू वंस मैंने लाइनअप्स के लिए सोचे हुए हैं. लाइक प्रीति के साथ मेरा एक पावर डेट मैंने अरेंज किया मीरा रोड में, जहाँ पे उनके प्रोडक्ट्स को लेके काफ़ी बड़े बड़े डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स से मेरा उनका मीटिंग मैंने अरेंज किया है, और बाकी और भी लोगों को मैंने लाइनअप्स में बात की है. थैंक यू. याद नहीं है, बट मोर देन 10,000 रुपीज़ के आसपास.
Thank you. And next thank you will be to Dr. Ina Malal for collaborating. She gave me the business how it is 1500. Thank you.
I just bought some chocolates and cake from Anu Kapoor and had spot business from Dr.
लास्ट टाइम में नहीं आ पाया था. This time I will try this new product. Gravia. Will be helping no other.
Thank you, Subrato, for connecting, and I'll connect him to this Parda manufacturer, 2-3 Parda manufacturer that I'm meeting.
was nice meeting all of you at IBP meeting, and I'd like to connect to Urvashi Punjabi after the meeting.
Thank you to Mr. Sanjay Mathur for 14,700 rupees. And I would like to call उनका नाम नहीं जानते, उनका बैग है, अगर मेरे हिसाब का बैग उनके पास है तो 10,000 बैग का ऑर्डर मैं उनको आज ही दे देगा।
अमृता मैडम, अमृता फर्स्ट मीटर रेगुलर मेंबर में फर्स्ट रेगुलर मेंबर नीचे फर्स्ट
ठीक करते हैं क्योंकि मेरे को बैग का रिक्वायरमेंट था ऑर्डर पर मिनिमम 10,000। थैंक यू।
Chocolates, I like it. My son जब भी मीटिंग में आता हूँ तभी मैं चॉकलेट से जोड़ देता हूँ। थैंक यू मैम। और इसमें जिससे मिलना चाहूँगा सबसे मिलना चाहूँगा।
I can connect you with Dosti Vihar, which houses around 2,000 people, 2,000 flats. So there probably you can have a better scope of circulating your marketing material and all. Possibility of something happening. Okay.
Again, a very good afternoon to everyone. Myself, Niranjan Mukherjee, Office Furniture Wala. Okay. So I would just like to share a success story from my first meeting. I came here and I met with the architect, and we did a business of 3.5 lakhs. This is the power of IBP. So I got two referrals, one for Rishabh Gill from my website, and I would like to get connected with Daya Shindiji for my brochure designing, and I would like to do a one-to-one with Mr. Mathurji. So thank you very much.
Hello. So there are many one-to-ones that I have to do, and I would like to get you with me in the next week itself. So Dr. Manasvi, Pooja Shah, then Hirol Panchali, if we can meet in the next week itself. Kaushal Rajput. Okay. Then Nikita Deria. So we are since trying for a month now. Yeah. Then Preeti Shah. I would like to meet you personally for your products. Okay. And Rajkumar Malhotra ji. So I have just spoke. मैंने जो आपको बोला था you can do it. Sanjay Mathur ji, I would really love to meet you because as we are having same interests. Amrita, we can meet in the coming week. So thank you so much.
we know very well.
Yeah, in the next week, yeah.
Hello, I'm new to the group, but I have actually shortlisted a lot of people here to connect with. Thank you, Roshni, for the product. I'm really looking forward to using it. And thank you, I think Shwetali, who's taken the bags. Thank you.
My name is Roop Lakhan. बस वहाँ रूप आ गया, बात खत्म हो गई.
And she represents that very well.
That's why I said.
Totally.
Very famous carrot coach.
Yeah, I spoke to her. I'm looking forward to connecting with her. And Mr. Sahasrabudhe, I also found I have something else in mind with you. So I will definitely connect with you. Dr. Anshuman?
He left.
Dr. Malad, these are the people I've picked and I would like to connect with. Mr. Hiral Pancholi. Yeah. Mr. Mani Iyer. Nikita Dedia. Preeti Shah. Sanjay Mathur. Suraj Bakale. Devendra Chi, Urvashi Punjabi, and Suresh Darji, and I'm looking forward to buying some chocolates.
तो सबको एक्चुअली आपको सबको मिलना है. It's like that almost.
Yeah, I've listed a lot of people because I would like to connect with those people later. Thank you.
मैं सबसे पहले थैंक्स हिरल पंचोली को करना चाहूँगा. उन्होंने मेरे साथ उसके लिए उनका धन्यवाद. और अभी तो मैंने मेरी फर्स्ट मीटिंग है, स्टार्टिंग से ही किया है, आगे देखते हैं. थैंक यू.
One thing, I want to thank Mr. Banerjee and Mani Iyer ji for the one reference they have gave me. We already had done the discussion, and from next week they have told me that we will start with the project. Thank you so much.
So Viral, I would like to connect with you और give you the reference ये वो मतलब वो फर्निशिंग वगैरह का करते हैं तो उनके आपका कनेक्ट हो सकता है तो डेफिनेटली टुडे ओनली आई शेयर द नंबर एंड आई स्पीक टू देम ऑल्सो डेफिनेटली एंड विद द फॉर द बैग्स आल्सो आई नीड टू कनेक्ट. थैंक यू.
Tell your name and talk.
Hello, once again. This is Veena Devedi. I would really like to meet Urvashi. I think so. Yeah. And other than someone who was asking for influencer, I didn't remember the name of that lady. Sorry. Yeah, I can connect you to one of the influencer over. And Roop. Yeah, definitely we are getting one. Okay, thank you.
बोलो बोलो रोशनी.
I would like to connect chair.
Okay, first of all, thank you Anu Kapoor ji for our amazing chocolates. Yeah, so every time in the meet we have to take, we cannot go home without taking it. And I got one amazing stuff from Malia Cheshti, top 700. So thank you. I would like to meet Mr. Sanjay Mathur. Actually, I wanted to connect to you regarding my branding of sleep and all like. And Suraj, we had a talk, so maybe we will connect this week. Rashmi ji, you're Rashmi, right? Yeah. So maybe you are doing this coming July, right? So you wanted a sponsor, so I wanted to talk to you regarding that. Yeah. That's it. Thank you.
Pooja, if we can eat Sonia's chocolates, then I'm coming to you on the diet. Sorry, Anu.
Start.
Okay, that's it. You get combo and
Yeah, so I would like to connect with you, Krish. And Kiran, I would like to connect you to my society in case if you can take forward from there. But I don't know how to go about it.
मेरे डोमियोली के कस्टमर आपके बाजू में उनको ही पूछ लीजिए हमारे सर्विसेज.
And Malia, thank you so much for using your product. Now, and Dr. Gupta, I would like to use your product. So that is it. Thank you so much. And yes, I have taken a diet plan from Pooja and I have lost 1.8 kilo in 2 months.
So I would like to connect with Sanjay Mathur. I think next week we are meeting. And thank you, Dr. Preeti. Your work, the food boxes were really good. And we had that, I think the chana thing was really nice. And I would like to connect with Mr. Nilesh Gavde. I think we have already spoken and your assistant had picked the call. He called me back. So next week we can pick up that. And yeah, that's it. Thank you.
So get excited. I'm going to give you a figure. Total referral share today 70, and total business generated today 1,74,830. Up till now, it will be 11 lakhs, sorry. Approx 11 lakhs. Okay? And total testimonial in our different way has come today, 4. And that's it for today. So, 64 Today's is 64,830 and counting up till now it's 11 lakh approx. February onwards till July, up till today, we have gotten like 11 lakhs in total. Here, thank you.
Thank you, Ro. So let's go for the conclusion now. Dear members, I'm sure each of your business could benefit from the program designed by IBP. We will organize IBP business enrollment meets on first Friday of every month. Our next meeting will be on 2nd August, that is a Friday, at 2 p.m. in the same venue. So once again, thank you all for being with us here this evening. The business tip of the week. We conclude our meeting with business tip of the week. The hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. Yeah. So everyone, please, you can proceed for the snacks at the canteen. Thank you.
Go to the institute canteen now.